welcome back. And now look at the other events in the state.
Polio has no cure. 2 drops every time is the only protection. Nationwide immunization campaign for polio eradication began from 20th January in state. Tussle among the Goan tourist taxi operators and outsiders running the business continues in South Goa too. The convener of South Goa tourist taxi operator George Fernandez has demanded an amicable solution.
People from Russia, they business kotta. People from Karnataka, Lamani, they business kotta. Kashmiris, they business kotta. So every world is making a fortune on the tourism that is existing here, except the Goans. When we try to, bring this to the light of the government says you have some patience, we will get it solved. Tourist taxi business has seasonal asle karnan. And tourism season cover जातले पण आमचा problem solve जावचो ना काय हे question पडलेले हा आमका. सध्या का जे कर्नाटकाची गाडी येऊन हांगा business व्हरोंक सोदताली. So आमी तेका आर्डन केला RTO म्हणू लागलो. They are also paying the tax. I agree that they also pay the tax. So do we. But the question is this tourism that is in Goa is meant for all Tom, Dick and Harry except the local Goans?
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Now news from sports. Stamina Cricket Club beat Politics 11 in the finals of All Goa Babu Brothers 2020 cricket and clinched the trophy. Politics 11 were all down for 152 while replying to the magnanimous total of 196 by Stamina 11. Winners were awarded with cash of 70,000 rupees and a trophy. Sagun Kamat has bagged man of the match while Reagan Pinto has been declared man of the series.
Have you enjoyed playing cricket here at Babu Brothers Hero Cup?
Come all the way from Bombay for an examination and there was a team from our village reach the final, so I thought it's very important on my part to be a finalist team.
That was Sagun Kamat scoring 96 of extra deliveries in this final match. What was the score actually you were looking after when you actually started batting?
Actually, when we won the toss and we had planned to get around 150 odd runs, 50 plus odd runs. So it was good, like we did a job to get more than that.
Yeah, the 40 runs more than what you expected.
It was a good total. The way the bowler we had in our 45.
Also, your bowlers did a fairly good job in restricting and containing the total.
Yeah, our bowlers did a very good job, but in the end, Gadi played a very good innings. So his batting was good to us.
Have you enjoyed playing in this tournament?
Yeah, really, I enjoyed it. This is one of the best tournaments in Goa. So it was a nice thing to play in this tournament.
So your comments and
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.